ground. They're in and out looking for things.
Look at them all.
Oh, it's so good. See what putting grass has done?
Yeah.
See? Fucking cat, probably. Now look, see, they're all in the trellis as well. Oh boy, they're in the conifer hiding, and they're in and out of the trellis. Something's startled them, but they're all. See that fountain? So what's happened is that cock sparrow brought a couple, right, to show them our garden, yeah, from over there. And now he's shown them, they're coming backwards and forwards, and the word's going around, and the other birds, look, what we've got to do, like I said.
That big tree up there. You
Where?
know the big tree behind?
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's where the blue teats have come from, because I always hear him singing, but look, he's got a big worm in his mouth now, a sparrow.